wake up, what do you do there? Is this even real?
It's like our like Kia commercial. Stop it. Come on, Kia and Charlie. I'm gonna start banging on the door. Hello? And the big one. Got nanners. Look how wet their window is. I got it at 60.
Everybody gets it.
So there's a dragon over there on that one. So it used to originally, when they opened the park, they were going to have an area that was dragons. But then the people who were developing the park left and went and worked for Universal.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. But there are dinosaurs. Alright, we're gonna see. Make some special noise. Watch. Oh, maybe not. Doesn't do it. It's supposed to do something special. I don't know. Whatever. We got Expedition Everest, but we could stop at Dinosaur. Let me see.
It's actually way cooler here. Yeah, the trees.
Let me see what it's at right now. It's still a 5-minute wait for Dinosaur. We want to go there first. Oh, look back there, guys. You see her?
The grass stick.
She's going back. Oh, swans. Can't see those at home. Look at the little baby duck.
Where's the baby?
Oh, he's a tiny little baby.
Mama's protecting it. She's like, hang on, baby. He's trying to climb up. She's like, baby, you can't do that.
You're a little too small.
It's like a 12-foot sheer.
But Daddy's right here, too.
Yeah, well, all of these little, like, cut-offs are random animals that are, like, different every time.
Yeah, like over here, I think. No, wait, where is it? The next one. They have animals in that one.
Oh, here you go. It tells you what's in it over here.
Oh yeah, this is the tiny little deer.
They're hard to find.
Like you'll find the this little tiny one.
They'll be like hiding out. They might be hiding out.
Oh yeah, this is the Barbasol.
She's just sleeping over there.
Where?
Laying down against the wall. There's another
Oh
one over
snap!
there.
I do see him.
Right in
Yeah.
front. Oh, there you go. He just moved his ears.
Oh, sleep. Look at it. Tiny.
There's another awake one, smaller one, like right. Did you guys need to stop at the first date now, or?
Well, I don't want to have to come back.
Okay.
We have Tylenol too.
Oh, okay. As
Yeah.
long as I just need something
Yeah.
anti-inflammatory.
We have Tylenol. Sam has it. It's in our bag.
I should switch it up anyway. I shouldn't do straight ibuprofen.
Sam, I want to try out these statues. Alright, we're gonna see if it works with our bands. You wave it or something, it's supposed to do something. Mine already vibrated.
I don't know if they all do it.
Yeah.
No, they did.
Yeah.
It's going off right now. It's vibrating.
Alright, do it. Wave it.
Hey, I've seen a boat in Pandora not too long ago. It went this way. Yeah, it went this way. Follow me.
Yeah.
We'll have to try them all out because when we came the last time, they didn't. It was not working. Like they didn't. We didn't have the Magic Band Plus.
Oh, okay. Aw, I'm like, why is my watch going? Oh, are we still within our time slot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, we have until 9:50 for Expedition Everest.
Okay.
But it was like a 5-minute wait for Dinosaur, so I'm like, why not just go and hit it?
Dinosaur thing?
It's a ride.
Oh, okay.
What I've been doing about this park is because of the theming, you get a lot of shade. And a lot
But like,
of
look how
animals, too.
empty it is.
Huh?
Look how empty it is. What? The kite tails? Look at the kite tails. You see them?
Are those real people in it?
Yeah, they're jet skis with kites at. It's Zazu.
I was gonna say, is that
It's
Zazu?
it's a show.
The other one's coming.
Boom, 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 boom. Ah! I knew what I would know. Yep, 5-minute wait for Dinosaur. I read something this morning. It was like Dinosaur is still like under refurbishment, and then it was like Fountain. I was like, oh my god, thank God.
Right, I was gonna say the fountain. I don't really like Dinosaur. It didn't really get a lot of hype, but I liked it when it came
I
out.
liked
It's
it.
like an old school ride.
I don't like dinosaurs. When I was little.
Oh, I was obsessed with dinosaurs for a very,
Like a Florida pine
probably about 2 years.
No, when I was little, I was so scared I would close my eyes. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did you want to be like an actual like?
I wanted to be a paleontologist.
Yeah.
I had like dinosaur anatomy books. It was bad.
Stop! Oh my gosh, that's great though. The one time we were in here, there was a cardinal in here. It was like flying. You remember that? Yeah.
What?
Yes, he was like stuck in here and he was just flying around. We were like, what? A cardinal?
I want to figure that out.
I'm sure they like had something. The one too, like where on your side, the water one, the long neck.
Yeah.
He used to spit water like
Really?
way back in the day. He hasn't done it in a while. I'm like, I wish they would bring that back because that would be great.
That actually would've-
Yeah. The Dino Store. You guys want a picture with the dino?
You want a picture with the dinosaur?
You guys want a picture with it?
It's a vibe. I'll vibe with them.
I'm walking on sunshine. Yeah, this is where like the primeval world used to be right here. It's literally just empty.
Little arcade. This was like a little arcade. I mean, carnival.
They still have carnival games.
Yeah, but not as much. I feel like. This the Everson is like a decade or so old, isn't it?
What one?
No, like 2008.
2004?
Well, I never seen something about it.
This place opened in I think in 1998. And then this I think it was either 2004 or somewhere around there, yeah. What? Oh, Doug and Russell, Sam. They're on a boat. And then Timon's behind them.
There we go.
I don't know. Hey, I got that popcorn bucket.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, thank you. Happy It's not my birthday. I didn't know what to say.
I thought she said happy birthday. She probably just saw the buttons and thought it was your birthday.
Are they supposed to acknowledge it or something?
Yeah.
Oh, they are?
Yeah. If they see it, yes.
Looking like, say thank you.
Huh?
10 minutes standby.
Alright, so we could go on with our fast pass and our lightning lane. And no, it's right here. Can record this.
Loading and unloading are in the same spot, basically.
Yeah. So you like it?
Yes.
Oh, about to trip and fall. Goodbye.
I like going to these lines. Say that.
You like what?
These small crowds and walking.
Oh, I know. This is the best. Glad that we came. Yeah. Something just dripped on my head. Ooh.
And legs inside the tail, and please supervise children. Me and Brother keep moving
get you guys here. If you guys need the front row, I need you guys to get back. Get back. All right. Come right here, guys. 2 right there. 215. I got video of Jack the whole way.
That was good.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's good.
All right. Sam. So cute. Great right now.
Really?
Yeah. They're twin sisters in here.
I've never seen them. Like,
Where's the other one? It's 2 girls.
Oh, yep. The monkey, scorpion, owl.
Yes.
Hippopotamus, too, right next to the
That's so pretty.
Hippo. There's a monkey up in there. There's they have literally everything. A bear, aardvark. Like when you're walking through it, you get to see it all too. It's really cool. That's cute. I don't know what it means, but probably could be that. Yeah. Can you feel the love tonight? I don't know. Oh my God. It probably might have worked. Hey, you better take it easy over there.
Job everybody, my name is Sullivan. I'll be your safari driver here today at the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Now before we get into our reserve proper, there is a thing or two I need to go over with you. Number 1, if you look closely at them, you'll be able to tell if it's a male or female by their eyes. For you see, all females have yellow eyes while the males have brown eyes. So that's a female right there. And hanging out across the way across the river, it looks like we are in luck as we are seeing the black rhino lying down right there. The black rhino is the smaller species of rhino. My friends, as you are traveling through this area here, we are now leaving the Little Ituri Forest and heading on to our next area of the Safi River. You're gonna spend so much time in the water, you should really learn how to swim. But the hippos are always like, nah, we got it. We're just run instead. No matter how many times you try to show them reason. Because you typically get to see the Nile.
We gotta do that sometimes,
right
Sam,
over
or
our
this.
side.
We gotta do this one time.
Right
We get to
down
climb
there.
over.
Oh, funny. Just see him up against the rocks. See?
No, don't stand up. He's bleeding.
He's got blood from him in his mouth. He's got it. Yeah, he's bleeding out of his leg.
He has him like in his mouth.
He just spit his
He had him like in his mouth. Like
Be the Maasai giraffes. Those Maasai giraffes are one of the tallest species of animal out here in Africa. Those will stand up to be a whopping 16 to 20 feet tall whenever they are fully grown. And whenever you see a
That's
group of them
friggin'
wandering
insane.
around together like this, that is known as a tower. Which is a very proper name for them as they tower over all the other animals out here on this event. There's as both a defense mechanism and attack from their predators. As due to their bravery, they're one of the few animal species that actually fight back against their predators rather than just running away. The cattle horns grow up to be whopping 3 to 4 feet long whenever they are fully grown, making them look like quite the royal animal with nice crowns on their head.
he's walking. He's walking. He's gonna walk in front of us. Oh my
We're gonna
gosh.
have another Maasai
This is actually a really
right
good
here to us.
one.
I was very close this time. And we'll give him a nice little wave for being so kind and greeting us. And then right behind him, we are seeing those wildebeest. Those would be those gray, shaggy-haired individuals. Now, those wildebeest have one of the most incredible
They
migrations
probably.
of all the animals.
I did not see him.
And here, right there, we are seeing the Harmon Mountain Zebra
Oh
as
my
well.
gosh, he's so
And many people do
cute.
often ask, is the Harmon Mountain Zebra a black animal with white stripes? Or is it a white animal with black stripes? Dumbo flies in his ears. No, the second one of those ears, how about those incredible animals? It's actually a natural cooling system for them. Because just by waving those large ears around, they can reduce their body temperatures by a whopping 15 degrees. How awesome does that sound, guys? I like flying manner. Now as we turn these corners, my friends, we are seeing the white rhinos. And those white rhinos are the larger species of rhino, growing up to be a whopping 5,000 pounds whenever they are fully grown.
Charlie, you got a Mickey glitter on your arm.
Yeah, I told him, I said.
You had one on your arm earlier. From the flowers.
Yeah, from the flowers. I was like,
You can take it with you everywhere.
I told him, I'm like, he's like, it's fine, just leave it.
Right. Celebrating. No, that was really good. I really enjoyed that.
It's hot.
Well, yeah, it was great in there. You know what you need to get? It's one of those neck fans. Have you seen those? Those neck fans?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Right?
I learned that from my mom. She was like, hot, go to a show. Quick way to cool off between rides.
On the south of the family brand, Kevin. From Disney Pixar's Up, it's Russell and Chad. Let's welcome them with the wilderness experience.
When I wake up,